Hello everybody. Today we are talking about how can we use patterns to solve equation that has more than one operation. Okay. For this one we are trying to fill this blank, and for example we have this question: use the equation 2x y equal to x minus 7 to complete the table. For completing the table, you should use this equation. We need this equation for filling this. Okay, so let's solve this one here. We will write again our equation that are y equal to x negative, or we can say minus 7. Okay, this one is y and that's the x. We need x to fill this. If we write 4 in a place x, we will get y. We have to, instead x, we will write 4 and minus 7. That's a multiplication. Between 2 and x we have multiplication. 2 times 4 equal 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 equal 1. Then we got 1 here. If we write in a place x 5, we have 2x negative 7. In the place x we will write 5. Y we have 2. Instead x we will write 5 minus 7. 2 times 5 equal 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, that's equal 3. Here it is 3. Okay, if we have 6 in a place x, we have 6. We will write our equation 2x minus 7. Okay, and we have 2. In the place x, we will write 6 minus 7. 2 times 6 equal 12. Minus 7, and this one equal 5. Here it is, we have 5. Okay, but we don't know this. We should solve this one. For example, we have our equation that is y equal to x minus 7. Then we will write y 2. Instead x we will write 7 minus 7. 2 times 7 equal 14 minus 7 equal 7. That means we have 7 here. And for 8, y 2x minus 7. In the state of x, we will write 8 for this one. Okay. 2 times 8 equal 16. 16 minus 7, that's equal 9. Y equal 9. 16 minus 7 equal 9. for question 5, we have t equal 5d plus 5. This row is d and this one is t. We should find those blank. Okay, let's fill it. Now we have this equation. If d equal 0, d equal 0, then we write t 5, 0 times 5 plus 5, 0 times 5 equals 0, plus 5, that's equal 5. Here we have 5. If d 0, t will be 5. If we have d 1, d equal 1, then we write t equal 5d plus 5. t 5 in a place d we will write 1 plus 5. 5 times 1 equal 5 plus 5, and this one will be 10. t equal 10. t equal 10. When d is 1, t would be 10. Okay. d equal 2. We have t equal 5d plus 5. 5d is 2 plus 5. 5 times 2 equal 10 plus 5, and this one will be 15. t equal 15. t equal 15. Okay. If d is 3, d equal 3. We have t equal 5d plus 5. Then in a place d we will write, we have t. In a place t we will write 3 plus 5. 3 times 5 equal 15 plus 5 equal 20. That means t equal 20. If d is 3, t will be 20. Okay. If we have d equal what? 4. Our equation is t 5 plus 5d plus 5. 5 in a place d we would write 4 plus 5. t equal 4 times 5 or 5 times 4 equal 20 plus 5. t is 25. That means we have 25 here. For the question 6, we know if x is equal to, then y would be 0. If x is 4, y would be 1. If x is 6, y would be 2. Now we should find this one. Now our equation, we have y equal 1 over 2x minus 1. If x equal 8, x equal 8, we have y 1 over 2. Again, instead of x we would write 8 minus 1. Okay. Now, this is a multiplication between those numbers. We have multiplication. In a multiplication, we will multiply this one like this. We have 1 here. 1 times 8 equal 8. And 1 times 2 equal 2 minus 1. Y equal 8 over 2 minus 1. 8 over 2, that means 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And 4 minus 1 equal 3. Y equal 3. We would write 3. Okay, that was for 8. If x equal 10, then we have y equal 1 over 2 x minus 1. In the place x, we will write 10. We have y 1 over 2 10 minus 1. Okay, then we have here 1. 10 times 1 equal 10, and 1 times 2 equal 2 minus 1. Y equal 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equal 5, and 5 minus 1 equal 4. That means we have 4. For the question 7, we have y equal 2x plus 1. If y is 0, then we get if x 0, y is 1. If x 1, y equal 3. If x equal 2, x equal 2. Then we would write our equation y equal 2x plus 1. Instead of x, we would write 2. We have y equal 2 and 2 plus 1. That's a multiplication. 2 times 2, 4, and plus 1, 4 plus 1, y equal 5. Then we would write 5. Okay. If we have x equal 3, then our equation is y 2x plus 1. Y 2 instead of x 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1, and this one equal y equal 7. Then we have 7 here. For the question 8, we have b equal a over 2 minus 2. And we don't know b. We should find it. Okay. For the first one, we have b equal a over 2 minus 2. B, in the place a, we would write 7 and over 2 minus 2. B equal 17 divided by 2 equal 8.5, and minus 2 that would be b equal 6.5. Then we would write 6.5. For a equal 14, we have b equal a over 2 minus 2. Then we have b. Instead of a, we would write 14 divided by 2 minus 2. And we have b equal 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And 7 minus 2, that's equal 5. b equal 5. We have 5. Then for 11, if we have b equal a over 2 minus 2, then instead of a, we would write 11. We have 11 over 2 minus 2, and 11 divided by 2 equal 5.5 minus 2. b, and 5.5 minus 2, that will be 3.5. This one is 3.5. Okay. For the next one, we have 8. b equal a over 2 minus 2. a is 8. b equal, in place a, we would write 8 divided by 2 minus 2. And we have b, 8 divided by 2, sorry, we don't need this one. 8 divided by 2 equal 4, and minus 2, b equal 2. Yes. If a equal 5, a equal 5, our equation is b, a over 2 minus 2. Then we have b. Instead of a, we would write 5 divided by 2 minus 2. Okay, 5 divided by 2 equal 2.5 minus 2, b equal 0.5. We have half, 0.5. We have question 9. Complete the equation that represent the table in the table. We have x is 1, 2, 3, 4, and y is 2, 5, 8, 11. And we should find the equation. We don't know this equation. Okay, let's find this. It might be a little bit hard, but it's not hard. We can do this. If y equal 2, 5, 8, 11, then we would write equal. Okay, we don't know this number for all of them. We don't know this one. Okay, and we have x and minus okay, in the place x, if we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what happened to 1 to become a 2? What happened to 1 to become a 2? If we have 3 and 1 here, 1 times 3 is 3, and minus 1, that's equal 2. Then for this one is a true. And if we have 3 here and 1 here, 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 equal 5. That means for this one also it's true. Okay, if we have 3 here and 1, 3 times 3 is 9 minus 1 equal 8. That's a 8. It's a true. If we have 3 and 1, 3 times 4 equal 12 minus 1 equal 11. That's a 11. Okay. That means our equation is 3x minus 1. We found our equation like this. Good luck.